Are you ready to live better? It's time for the best new friends you could ask for. It's time for the best home you've ever owned in the best community you've ever known. It's time for the time of your life. Introducing Traditions of America at Richland. Traditions of America is the developer of the most sought-after communities in the Pittsburgh region, including Summerseat, Pinnacle at Adams, Cranberry, Swickley Ridge, Liberty Hills, and many more across Pennsylvania. Nestled amidst rolling woodlands, Richland residents will be surrounded by nature, yet minutes from shopping, dining, world-class golf, and superior health care. At Traditions of America at Richland, it's time for low-maintenance living.
Yard work is taken care of. We're not concerned about mulching.
To be able to walk and leave is very convenient.
We can just come home, the grass is cut, the pool's ready to use whenever we want to use it.
It's time to enjoy resort-style amenities in a community that feels like family.
I personally think that the clubhouse is what connects us as a community.
You'll see people at the pool and the hot tub.
I play cards 2 nights a week, pickleball, happy hours. Living at Traditions has just enriched our lives in ways that we would have never imagined.
It's time for home buying made easy with our Home Free, Home Assist, and Try Before You Buy programs.
Traditions of America was founded on the principle that 55-plus consumers deserve to live better and that buying a home should be easy and stress-free.
We had a really easy process building here.
It really was an easy process.
It's time to make your dream home your home.
There's nothing that Traditions of America can't help you build. We want you to have your dream home, so we're going to work on customization together to get you just that.
I just yell out, I love my house. He thought I was crazy. But it was just great. It's just great. We really love the place.
This is just one example of how TOA allows you to customize your dream home.
It's time to live better today.
This is the opportunity of a lifetime to share vitality and energy and lifestyle.
I really like the companionship and the friendships that I have developed here.
It's exciting. We are starting on a new chapter, and it is bright and beautiful.
Get ready for the ride of your life.
It's time for the time of your life.
Our only regret is
We didn't do this sooner.
We didn't do this sooner.
that we didn't do it 10 years sooner.
It's time for Traditions of America at Richland.